Hi students, today we'll discuss about another important topic, rank of matrix. Now let us see what is the rank of matrix. Here rank of matrix is possible for only square matrix, that is the first point. And next one, here maximum of the orders of the non-singular square submatrices of A. That means if the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is not equal 0, then it becomes non-singular. If it is equal to 0, then it is singular. Then we go for submatrix. That means submatrix of 2 by 2 square matrix. And again we have to find determinant. In this way we have to calculate rank of the matrix. Now let us see what is the submatrix. Here simply by deleting some rows or columns of the given matrix is called submatrix. For example, let us say A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you delete first row, first column, we get 5, 6, 8, 9. 5, 6, 8, 9 is one of the submatrix. Suppose if you delete third row, third column, what we get? 1, 2, 4, 5. That is again one of the submatrix. Suppose if you delete first row only, then we get 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. It is another example for submatrix. Now let us see the procedure of to find rank of the matrix by using tree diagram. Now let us take the matrix A. We have to find a rank. First find out determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. If the 3 by 3 matrix determinant is not equal to 0, then we can say that rank of the matrix is 3. Suppose if the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix is equal to 0, then you go for 2 by 2 submatrix. That means if you are deleting some rows or columns, we get submatrix. Then you take 2 by 2 submatrix and find the determinant of that 2 by 2 submatrix. Here, if the determinant of 2 by 2 submatrix is not equal to 0, then the rank of the matrix is 2. Suppose if the determinant of 2 by 2 submatrix is 0, then what is the rank? 1. So in this way, we can find a rank of the square matrix. Here, rank of the matrix is 3 or 2 or 1. That means rank of the matrix is maximum 3, which is order of 3 by 3. Example based on rank of matrix. Here what is the given matrix? A is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Here what is the order of the matrix? Order is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means square matrix. Now let us find the determinant of given matrix. Already we are discussing about the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. If you take a first row, that means minus 1 into 4, 5, 5, 6 minus of minus 2 into 3, 5, 4, 6 minus 3 into 3, 4, 4, 5. By simplification, we get minus 1 into 24 minus 25 minus of minus 2 plus 2 into 18 minus 20 minus 3 into 15 minus 16. That is equal to 1 minus 4 plus 3 is 0. Here determinant is 0. Then we go for submatrix. Here in 3 by 3, if you go for submatrix, if you delete any row or any column, we get a 2 by 2 submatrix only. That means if you remove third row, third column, what we get? Minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4. Or if you take any submatrix, then find the determinant. What is the determinant? Minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3 by cross multiplication. we get minus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 2. Here determinant is not equal to 0. That means if the 2 by 2 submatrix determinant is not equal to 0, then what is the rank of the matrix? The rank is 2. Suppose here if you get 0, then what happens? Rank is 1. Let us see second example based on rank of the matrix. The given matrix is 1 0 0 0 0 1 2 4 0 0 1 2. Now let us see what is the order of the matrix. Here order is 3 rows and 4 columns. In this case, here it is 3 by 4 means rectangular matrix. In this case, we take a square matrix. What is the maximum square matrix possible? That is 3 by 3. How do you get 3 by 3 submatrix? By deleting any column. Any column means if you delete a fourth column, or you can delete first column or second column or third column. We will take submatrix as 1 0 0 0 1 2 0 0 1 by deleting fourth column, and this is the 3 by 3 submatrix. And find the determinant of this 3 by 3 submatrix. So what we get? 1 into 1 2 0 1, and next element is 0. 0 into something is 0, and third element is 0, and this is also 0 into something 0. By simplifying this, we get 1 into 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. Here determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is 1, which is not equal to 0. So what is the property of rank? Here rank is equal to 3 when 3 by 3 submatrix determinant is not equal to 0. Now let us see third example based on rank of matrix. Here given matrix A is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Here what is the order of this matrix? That is 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. Then you take directly determinant of given matrix, that is DTA is equal to 1 into determinant of 1 1 1 1 minus 1 into determinant of 1 1 1 1 plus 1 into determinant of 1 1 1 1. By simplification we get 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1, that is 0. Suppose if the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is 0, then we go for 2 by 2 submatrix. Any 2 by 2 submatrix. That means by deleting any row or any column, we get submatrix as 1 1 1 1. This is 2 by 2 submatrix. And what is the determinant here? That is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is 0, and also determinant of 2 by 2 submatrix is 0. Then what is the rank of the matrix? 1. Another example, that is 0 0 0 0, all zeros. All zeros means what is the type of this matrix? Null matrix, or we can say zero matrix. Always the rank of null matrix in any order is 0. Remember this point. So in this way we can find the rank of the matrix. Here the definition of the rank is in 2 marks, and to finding rank of any matrix is in 4 marks question important.